Hey everyone, I'm proud to present you iAletheia. Well, Althea is one of the Greek words that loosely translate to truth or understanding. And that is what this project is all about. Have you ever wondered at how we use this different application, right? ChatGPT or Claude or like different agents all over the place. But the biggest challenge is that everywhere you need to put in all the context by yourself from the very scratch. If you want to ask any question that is there on your screen, you need to put a screenshot. And this is a big issue because this adds a lot of overhead. And every time you switch from one platform to another, you need to pass in those extra contexts. iAletheia solves it all. iAletheia is a privacy preserving macOS based application right now supporting all the M chips for now. It actually passively monitor your screen and always we keep on looking and having those data added within memories. Now the memory layer is quite smart and knows what to wait and what to actually conceal together so that we do not end up having a bunch of data which is not really useful. So it built its own context over time just looking at your screen, and you can actually alternatively control it and pause it anytime whenever you want. On the top of it, it also allow you to look into your chat history for a previous chat that you have with iAletheia. You can also like add a small persona about yourself, so it will be personalized to you and knows you well. On the top of it, you can actually add a persona for iAletheia itself, that how this agent is going to be for you. So without waiting much, let's jump into some of the live demo. So let's start with some of the initial things. So for example, I stumble upon this random app. Now iAletheia knows me already. I can ask a question like, can I apply to this opportunity that is visible on my screen? Right now, it instantly look into my screen, take a quick screenshot, use Apple Vision ORS, specifically like doing all the rendering offline, and say, okay, I can apply, but only if I meet these criteria. It makes it my life super easy. Now it knows me all, it knows my data, and it can give me exact answer without any screenshot or anything switching the context. Further on, there is an additional feature where, for example, I can actually go down and ask for something if I'm confused about. So for example, I can ask about, show me how can I search an event here, and I can click in the show me option. It also supports web search as well, so that the understanding is built. Again, it have taken a quick screenshot, used the on-device Apple OCR itself to convert all that data and passing it all over to the GPT 5.6 model. Well, I'm actually using a combination of these models to give the best output. Initially, right now, it's at some of its initial phase. It takes around like, I would say roughly around like 10 to 12 seconds to process this and give us the full output and actually show us on the screen how we should do it and what we can do. All right, now you can already see that all the steps are coming and all the markation are already there on the screen. I can follow this and get the things done. On the way down, if I wanted to take some of the safe actions for now, it only allows safe actions. So for example, I can write like reply to this email on my screen and I can select the actions. Now add action, what it does, it again marks all my screen, understand what it need to do, make a plan, again using the GPT 5.6 model, and go take a quick control over my machine, go right away. Now it instantly goes to a reply button and already started drafting a quick email for me. If I haven't like presented anything for special for it, it already like creates a generic template, just look into how I initially write my past data and just write a quick response. And this is all taking place itself, but it will not send until a human actually provides it. So yeah, this is iAletheia for you, a fully privacy preserving application that runs on your Mac, have everything offline, just pass the specific semantic data for reasoning to the GPT 5.6 and provide you an instance so you never have to take screenshot or follow the context because the context builds within it. Thank you so much.